These birds look like dinosaurs because they basically are. Long after dinosaurs vanished, a few of their relatives survived, and they're still alive today. Meet the cassowary. With a helmet-like head, razor-sharp claws, and powerful legs, this bird looks more like a raptor than a bird. Then there's the shoebill. Massive beak, stone-still stare, and movements straight out of the prehistoric era. The Hoatzin chick is even wilder. It's born with claws on its wings, just like ancient dinosaur fossils. And the emu? Huge, fast, flightless, built for survival, not beauty. These birds are called living fossils because they've barely changed for millions of years. Dinosaurs didn't really disappear. They learned how to fly. Nature lovers, this channel is for you. Follow and subscribe so you never miss a post.